Hello aspirants, a state which is very beautiful and culturally rich state in northeastern region of India. Here is a comprehensive, extensive coverage of physical characteristics, natural vegetations, regional festivals, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicator, historical sites, heritage site, national park, biosphere reserve, wildlife sanctuary. Arunachala Pradesh. There's a key point that is the capital of Arunachala Pradesh is Itanagar. That is a main capital that became a full-fledged state in the year of 1987, February 20. It's a northeastern states. There is a important cities like Tawang, Bishmaknagar, Malnitan, Bomdila, Basar, Akshikganga, Zero. Its border with Assam, Nagaland, and international border with Bhutan, West China in the north, Myanmar in the east. There's a 1826. The British exercised their control over in Assam after the Treaty of the Yandabu concluded in the 24th February 1826. Actually, there is a state was known in the Northeastern Frontier Agency, part of the Assam, and also there is a 1972 Arunachal Pradesh was constituted as a union territory. In 1987, it became the 24th state of the Indian Union, and 1987 it became the 24th state of the India. So there is a 20 district in this region. The language is English official language. There is a Nishi, Dafia, Midji, Mishmi, Mompa, Memba, Kamba, Galo, Niashi, Dagin, Apatani, Tangsha, Nakto, Wanchohola, Tutsa, Thai Kashmat, and Singpo, Shedukpen, Adigalong, and Dagin are the regional languages. More than 30 languages are practiced in the Arunachal Pradesh. There is the highest number of regional languages in the Indian subcontinent. Geography wise, it's a territory that is mostly a mountainous part of the eastern Himalayas, major rivers. There is a land of sunrise. It's a orchid state of India and also paradise of the botanist. There is the largest among the northeastern Indian states. There is the lowest population density in India and also second largest decadal population growth rate. It's 25.9 percentage. There's a physical characteristics. Most of the Arunachal Pradesh is a terrain area. There's a deep valleys which flanked by the highland plateaus and also ridges that rise to the peak of the Great Himalayas. Actually, it's the farthest south in a series of foothills, and for the north and along the Tibetan border lie the main ranges of the Greater Himalaya. The river Khamang, Subanshri, Siang, Lohit, and also Tirap have divided the plains into the valley. There is a natural vegetation like tropical rainforest is 2 by 3, and tropical evergreen and subtropical pine forest, subtropical mixed broadleaf pine forest also present in the Arunachal Pradesh. The major rivers are the Brahmaputra river that originate from the Manasarovar Lake, Tibet, the Dibang, that is a Sikong, originate near the Kia Pass on the Indo-Chinese border in the Dibang Valley, that is Arunachal Pradesh. The Lohit River, that is a river of blood that rises in the eastern Tibet, that is a Zayazu range. There is a major regional festivals, that is a Losar, Mopin, and Solong. There is a art forms like Tanka painting, that is consisting of a picture panel painted in the embroidered on silk, apple, or cotton, usually depicting a Buddhist scene or mandala of the deity. And there is a music of Jajinya, that barley Nyogya. There is a dance of Idumishmi, Wanchu, Ponong, Kamchi, Purya, and also Nuya, Ajilambu. There is a industries. There is a major industries: rice and vegetable oil milling, manufacturing of forest based. That is a mainly belongs to many forest areas. So there is a forest based products, steel fabrications. There is a rich food processing industry, sericulture. The minerals present in the Arunachal Pradesh are coal, pyrites, marble, gold, limestones, graphites, petroleum, dolomite, and also copper. There's an agricultural region. It's having the cultivation of rice, corn, millet like maize, potato, buckwheat, and ginger, sugarcane. The main geographical indication of the Arunachal Wakro. The important historical sites of Arunachal Pradesh is the Dibang Valley, that is a Malini, There is a Golden Pagoda, there is a Tembang, there is a Birsa Munda, that Bomdlia Monastery, and Dawang area, there is a Bishop Nagar Mayodia Pass. There is a state symbol. State animal is a Gaya, that is a Mithun. State bat, that is a great hornbill. State flower, that is the lace lippo orchid. State tree, that is Holang. State animal, that is a Gayal. The state bat, that is a great hornbill. The state flower, that is a lace leopard orchid, that is a state tree Holang. There is a world heritage sites like Namdapha National Park. This is the largest protected area in the Eastern Himalayas, biodiversity hotspot, and Appatani cultural landscape, that is a Apathians, the tribe inhabiting the Zeno Valley. There is a wildlife sanctuaries like Chilika Wildlife Sanctuary, Chali Valley Wildlife Sanctuary, Khamlang Wildlife Sanctuary, Mehau Wildlife Sanctuary, Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary, Dibang Wildlife Sanctuary. There is a tiger reserve in Arunachal Pradesh, that is Namdapha Tiger Reserves, Khamlang Tiger Reserves in Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you so much, guys.